the Bismo crew coming at you. We got Jake power washing the camper after A&M Off-Road Park. She got a little dirty, but she needed to be clean. And you know what? That's the pop out right there where he's power washing now. And you know, this has been a really good camper for us. Got back windows. Here's the door. It's been a really good camper for us. That turns into a hide-a-bed, which is really nice. It's where I sleep. We got the table, kitchen sink, stove, refrigerator. You know, you come into the back. We got the master bed. We got the shower / bathtub. Got the pooper. This is an awesome camper. Planning on going on more mud events. You guys will see it happen.